I find privacy in stillness. I find privacy in nature. I'm kind of like a wanderer and a dreamer. I walk through hiking trails. I like to go near water. The place by Wildcat Canyon, I just randomly found it one day. I just kept walking and walking, and I was like, oh, what's this? And I walked down and it's like a full-on beautiful creek. That's my place. I love that place. When you're in nature, everyone brings their guards down. They're just there to kind of fall into the trees. For me, that's a very private thing, even though maybe there's other people around. When you stretch yourself too thin and you look back and you're like, damn, when's the last time I just had 15 minutes to myself? I mean, you're doing yourself a disservice when you don't take that time. Regardless of where you find privacy, it's important for everyone to cultivate that for themselves. I feel like that's a very strong emotion.